Ako po yung naka-yellow.
Just to be sure.
Naka-yellow.
Cute mo Ang saya-saya mo ng first birthday mo.
Sobrang hindi talaga ako natatakot kay Jollibee. Hindi talaga.
So before you had that fear na sa mga, generally sa mascots,
Hindi ko na wala po.
hindi mo na maalala?
Hindi ko na maalala.
May kakilala akong ganyan. Huy! Pero ito, at least, I saw this video or photo na pinost mo, and sobrang nakaka-proud talaga na full circle moment. How do you feel na you celebrated your first birthday, Jollibee, now you are one of the endorsers, the ambassadors of this global brand?
I think it's meant to happen. And sa tingin, gusto ko din mag-birthday, gusto ko din i-celebrate yung 23rd birthday ko with Jollibee. Please, Jollibee, make it happen.
Yung isa dito, gusto mag-birthday. Oh, that's like